I'm taking photographs of the spiders, but I don't know. I thought this angle. Oh, wait, let me zoom. Oh, there. See that thing? That's a spider on my ceiling. And then, do you see? I don't know where they went, but there are a lot of spiders up there. I'll show you more. Oh, look, oh my God. One. Wait, there's two in the same frame if I can just unzoom. Oh, come on. Can't do it. I have an idea. I'm gonna go wake up Billy. Alright, how do I stop?